In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to add an icon in Practice Better, a platform designed to help you manage your clients and your practice more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to make your practice look more professional, but you'll also be introduced to some alternatives that might suit your goals even better. Stick around, because we've got an exclusive offer for you. First things first, let's dive into the Practice Better interface. After logging into your account, go to your settings. You'll find this option in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on Account Settings, and from here, navigate to the Branding section. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be able to upload your icons. Next, look for the Add Icon option. You'll be able to upload an image file here, but make sure that the icon you're adding is clear, properly sized, and looks professional. Ideally, you want something that represents your practice, but also remains visible at smaller sizes, as it might appear on mobile devices. Practice Better will automatically resize the icon to fit the required format. Now, once you've chosen your file, just hit Save, and the icon will be updated. You'll be able to see this icon in various places within the platform, whether it's on your client portal or within the communication tools you use to connect with clients. It's a small touch, but it does make a difference in creating a branded experience. Next, let's talk about what Practice Better doesn't make as easy. While it's great for managing client appointments and notes, adding custom icons and graphics can sometimes be a bit limited when compared to some competitors. For instance, other platforms offer a wider range of customization, allowing you to integrate more intricate designs into your branding. It's something to think about if you're looking for flexibility in visual elements. Now, let's touch on something else Practice Better doesn't do as well: integration with other tools. While Practice Better works great as a standalone app, if you're looking to integrate more third-party tools or software, you might find it a bit limiting. For some, this could be a deal breaker, especially when running a business that requires specific integrations with your CRM or marketing platforms. So, now you might be wondering, is there a better option for adding icons and streamlining your practice? Actually, there are a few that stand out. We're going to link to some of those in the description below, so you can take a closer look. These alternatives are great for anyone looking to add more customization, automation, or integration with other tools in their business. Plus, we've got an extended free trial exclusively for our viewers, so don't miss out. In summary, while Practice Better has some great features for managing your practice, there are some limitations when it comes to adding icons and overall customization. That's why we suggest checking out the alternatives we've linked below. These platforms offer more flexibility and additional tools that could be a game changer for your practice. And don't forget, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits through our link, only available for you as a viewer. Make sure to check them out.